And welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing some more of my server survival. I made a video on this earlier and I'm really terrible. Did you take the weed?
No.
Okay, I just wanted to do that anyway.
I made another lucky block.
Oh my! Jaden,
what?
Look how many eggs. I have like 10 stacks of eggs here. You can take a couple. So please watch my other video and you'll understand why we have a big farm in the middle of nowhere.
Just so you know, guys, Ethan made me obviously an admin on this server. I'm just gonna collect.
Yes, we.
Oh my gosh, Ethan, these chickens are laying eggs like
but you
weren't the other day.
Yeah, no, I don't know why, but yeah, this is pretty good. So I have this big farm here. Do I have any bones? That would be amazing. No, I don't. Do I have any wood? That would be even amazing. I need wood.
have 4 oak wood planks.
Give me lots of wood. Give me wood or I'll kill you. I have better armor and stuff than you, even though I don't.
Wait, what? You don't have any armor.
Well, I have a sword, so. Yeah.
I have a sword.
Oh. I'll own you anyway. Even though I have like health. Doesn't matter. Okay? Give me some wood or I will admin myself in I'll admin myself in creative and poo on you.
I'm just gonna close the Here it is. Here comes.
Yummy, delicious wood!
I'm gonna put this log.zip.
Oh, I don't even need it. I had wood.
Then I'm gonna put the lucky block down.
Don't put it down over here. Put it down somewhere else because I don't want to break the server freaking lobby.
Okay,
Maybe we can kill this guy.
Whether else thingies.
This guy has thorns, but I want to kill him. Yeah, the log.zip god. No! No! He's gonna kill him!
There's a skeleton spawning!
Wait, is this guy peaceful? Oh, it's daytime. I think so. He's peaceful. Help me, Jaden. 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 Jaden.
What help are you the whole source and teleport to me?
Or no. Well, we're seeing game.
I was gonna teleport to you and then be like, well, no, we're gonna pick we're both stuck in this freaking hole. There's a skeleton spawn over there. It's not spawning anything because it's day, so.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Give me, man. I'm gonna make a couple blocks.
Anyways, I can make one more block.
Don't interfere with block making geniuses. I'm making blocks like a genius.
Ethan and I are the block making masters of this server. So, Ethan, I don't have any more sticks, but But when I do get more sticks,
I can give you more stuff because remember I had like 20 of them. How many did I make?
Ethan, I just got a diamond sword with mending 2 and a diamond pickaxe with efficiency IV, silk touch, unbreaking IV, fortune 3, and mending 2.
You're so overpowered.
I got that from a log.zip lucky block.
No, open it. No, peaceful. No, I can't peaceful because it's freaking server. No.
What's its name?
No.
Should I go into creative and kill it with my own new overpowered sword?
No, I know what I'm gonna do, so get out of my life. I have never done this before, but I will. Don't kill it. No, he's killing all of our chickens.
Stupid, we need those chickens to make our
Frick you. Hey, do you want me to tell you something, little wizard? Frick you. Oh, another little nether star which just attacked me.
You got another star?
Yes.
Is that for any trade?
Yes, well, no, a beacon's for a trade, so.
Oh.
That's terrible because I got so much of it. Did you just get another wither?
No. I don't even have another block. That's the random wither.
Oh, the random wither that ran away from me?
Hot.
No, another wither!
Oh, I can make some.
No! Can you please? Please, no. Please, anything but you, Wither. Anything but you. Anything but you. If that's insulting, it's meant to be insulting. So die, Wither, die! Okay, he's dead.
This server is really laggy.
It is.
No,
Wait, no. Wait, did you? Yeah, you got out. Okay, I'll be back and I got the server to work again, so my chickens are dead.
but it's still as laggy as always.
It's your computer is freaking laggy. Hey, James, in
Yeah, I don't think it's my computer's fault that I'm not getting any wood from this tree.
No, you just have to wait a second. I think your terrible computer just makes it worse. Yes, I got the same thing you did! Amazing sword and amazing pickaxe.
Alright, can I come back to you because I'm lost in this forest?
Sure, teleport.
No one else is playing on the server though.
That's because no one knows IP.
Oh yeah.
Teleport. You just freaking teleport. Teleport.
I'm here. I'm here. Dude, stop.
I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I have one more block left, but I can make a lot more.
Me too.
I got more redstone. Do you want redstone?
Not right now. Not if I don't need it. Alright.
How much health do you have?
I might. Yeah.
Frick. Maybe it's the wither that's glitching it.
Yeah. Try and take the wither out.
I don't know. I don't feel like peaceful because then I'd have to restart the server again. Next time we restart it, I'll peaceful it. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, what'd you get?
Oh, I just made a block.
Oh. Yeah, it makes like fireworks. So maybe with this OP sword, well, it's not really that OP, and I'm dying, but
I got mending. I'd say the pickaxe is more OP than the sword.
But it doesn't have damage. I'm talking about damage. And log.zip killed me.
Oh my god, it's one another wither! Log.zip's pet is so evil!
Go into creative, and in the chest in the corner of the lobby top, there is a super pick. I'll just do it.
A super what?
A super pick.
What does it do? Kill a wither? And make 2 hits?
Does 1 billion damage. And it kills a wither in 1 hit.
You made that on the totem thingy, didn't you?
Yes,
okay,
that's what.
Skeleton spawns is so annoying.
Okay, how many? I have 5 nether stars. Why don't we go mining and get some more, get some obsidian. Okay, we're gonna end the video here. Bye.